So this video is for many people who find it difficult to record themselves. This is going to be really helpful for you and save you the stress of cameras. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can record yourself talking without any stress. So the name of the site is Veed. I'm going to leave the link in the description, and all you have to do is once you click on that link, you get to this particular interface. You have your add character and add speech. So click on add character to add the kind of character you want. So you have three options here. You can upload a character, you can generate a character, or you choose from their characters. So I'm going to click on upload to upload a character. So these are the characters I had uploaded recently while I was trying to create some videos earlier. So I'll just pick on this first character, and character has been uploaded. The next needs to add speech. So click on add speech. You get the option of recording the speech. That's if you want to record your speech, you have this option here. So I'm just going to click on record and listen to what I'd say. So this video is for many people who find it difficult to record themselves. This is going to be really helpful for you and save you the stress of cameras. So just click on done, and then you have your add speech. So that's it. Afterwards, you click on generate and allow AI do its magic. Now note, you can only generate 10 seconds video. That's the video does not exceed 10 seconds. Well, if you want to generate more videos, you have to create different 10 seconds clip and then join them together using your video editor. So generating the video usually takes time, but you just have to be patient, and this is totally free for now. You can make use of it. Okay, so this is our video. So this video is for many people who find it difficult to record themselves. This is going to be really helpful for you and save you the stress of cameras. Alright, so that is it. And if you want to download, you could just click on the video, long press on the video, then download the video. And there you have it in your folder, easy. And if you even want to be creative, like I said, you can just create many clips and add them together. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and share this video. Thank you.